يريد الله ليبين لكم ويهديكم سنن الذين من قبلكم ويتوب عليكم والله عليم حكيم.
Allah wants to make all this clear to you and to guide you to the ways which the righteous have followed in the past. He will graciously turn towards you. Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
والله يريد أن يتوب عليكم ويريد الذين يتبعون الشهوات أن تميلوا ميلا عظيما.
Allah indeed wants to turn graciously towards you, but those who follow their lusts would want you to drift far away from the right way.
يريد الله أن يخفف عنكم وخلق الإنسان ضعيفا.
Allah wants to lighten your burdens, for man was created weak.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تأكلوا أموالكم بينكم بالباطل إلا أن تكون تجارة عن تراض منكم ولا تقتلوا أنفسكم إن الله كان بكم رحيما.
Believers, do not devour one another's possessions wrongfully. Rather, let there be trading by mutual consent, and do not kill yourselves. Surely, Allah is ever compassionate to you.
ومن يفعل ذلك عدوانا وظلما فسوف نصليه نارا وكان ذلك على الله يسيرا.
And whoever does this by way of transgression and injustice, we shall surely cast him into the fire. That indeed is quite easy for Allah.
إن تجتنبوا كبائر ما تنهون عنه نكفر عنكم سيئاتكم وندخلكم مدخلا كريما.
But if you avoid the major sins which you have been forbidden, we shall remit your trivial offenses and cause you to enter an honorable abode.
ولا تتمنوا ما فضل الله به بعضكم على بعض للرجال نصيب مما اكتسبوا وللنساء نصيب مما اكتسبن واسألوا الله من فضله إن الله كان بكل شيء عليما.
Do not covet what Allah has conferred more abundantly on some of you than others. Men shall have a share according to what they have earned, and women shall have a share according to what they have earned. Do ask Allah for His bounty. Allah has full knowledge of everything.
وَلِكُلٍّ جَعَلْنَا مَوَالِيَ مِمَّا تَرَكَ الْوَالِدَانِ وَالْأَقْرَبُونَ وَالَّذِينَ عَقَدَتْ أَيْمَانُكُمْ فَآتُوهُمْ نَصِيبَهُمْ إِنَّ اللَّهَ كَانَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ شَهِيدًا.
To everyone we have appointed rightful heirs to inherit whatever the parents and near of kin might leave behind. As to those with whom you've made a solemn covenant, give them their share. Allah watches over all things.
الرجال قوامون على النساء بما فضل الله بعضهم على بعض وبما والصالحات قانتات حافظات للغيب بما حفظ الله واللاتي تخافون نشوزهن فعظوهن واهجروهن في المضاجع واضربوهن فإن أطعنكم فلا تبغوا عليهن سبيلا إن الله كان عليا كبيرا.
Men are the protectors and maintainers of women because Allah has made one of them excel over the other and because they spend out of their possessions to support them. Thus, righteous women are obedient and guard the rights of men in their absence under Allah's protection. As for women of whom you fear rebellion, admonish them and remain apart from them in beds and beat them. Then if they obey you, do not seek ways to harm them. Allah is the Exalted, the Great.
وإن خفتم شقاق بينهما فبعثوا حكما من أهله وحكما من أهلها إن يريدا إصلاحا يوفق الله بينهما إن الله كان عليما خبيرا.
If you fear a breach between the two, appoint an arbitrator from his people and an arbitrator from her people. If they both want to set things right, Allah will bring about reconciliation between them. Allah is all-knowing, all-aware.
واعبدوا الله ولا تشركوا به شيئا وبالوالدين إحسانا وبذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين والجار ذي القربى والجار الجنب واليتامى والمساكين والجار ذي القربى والجار الجنب والصاحب بالجنب وابن السبيل وما ملكت أيمانكم إن الله لا يحب من كان مختالا فخورا.
Serve Allah and ascribe no partner to Him. Do good to your parents, to near of kin, to orphans, and to the needy, and to the neighbor who is of kin, and to the neighbor who is a stranger, and to the companion by your side, and to the wayfarer, and to those whom your right hands possess. Allah does not love the arrogant and the boastful.
الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل ويكتمون ما آتاهم الله من فضله وأعتدنا للكافرين عذابا مهينا.
Who are niggardly and bid others to be niggardly and conceal the bounty which Allah has bestowed upon them. We have kept in readiness a humiliating chastisement for such deniers of Allah's bounty.
والذين ينفقون أموالهم رئاء الناس ولا يؤمنون بالله ولا باليوم الآخر ومن يكن الشيطان له قرينا فساء قرينا.
Allah does not love those who spend out of their wealth to make a show of it to people, when in fact they neither believe in Allah nor in the last day. And he who has taken Satan for a companion has indeed taken for himself a very bad companion.
وماذا عليهم لو آمنوا بالله واليوم الآخر وأنفقوا مما رزقهم الله وكان
What harm would have befallen them if they had believed in Allah and the last day and spent on charity what Allah had bestowed upon them as sustenance? For Allah indeed has full knowledge of them.
إن الله لا يظلم مثقال ذرة وإن تك حسنة يضاعفها ويؤت من لدنه أجرا عظيما.
Indeed, Allah wrongs none, not even as much as an atom's weight. Whenever a man does good, he multiplies it twofold and bestows out of his grace a mighty reward.
فكيف إذا جئنا من كل أمة بشهيد وجئنا بك على هؤلاء شهيدا.
Consider then when we shall bring forward witnesses from every community and will bring you, O Muhammad, as a witness against them all.
يومئذ يود الذين كفروا وعصوا الرسول لو تسوى بهم الأرض ولا يكتمون الله حديثا.
Those who disbelieved and disobeyed the messenger will wish on that day that the earth were leveled with them. They will not be able to conceal anything from Allah.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقربوا الصلاة وأنتم سكارى حتى تعلموا ما تقولون ولا جنبا إلا عابري سبيل حتى تعلموا ما تقولون ولا جنبا إلا عابري سبيل حتى تغتسلوا وإن كنتم مرضى أو على سفر أو جاء أحد منكم من الغائط أو لامستم النساء فلم تجدوا ماء فتيمموا صعيدا طيبا فامسحوا بوجوهكم وأيديكم إن الله كان عفوا غفورا.
Believers, do not draw near to the prayer while you are intoxicated until you know what you are saying, nor when you are defiled, save when you are traveling, until you have washed yourselves. If you are either ill or traveling, or have satisfied a want of nature, or have had contact with women, and can find no water, then betake yourselves to pure earth, passing with it lightly over your face and your hands. Surely Allah is all relenting, all forgiving.
ألم تر إلى الذين أوتوا نصيبا من الكتاب يشترون الضلالة ويريدون أن تضلوا السبيل.
Have you not seen those to whom a portion of the book was given? They purchased error for themselves and wish that you too lose the right way.
والله أعلم بأعدائكم وكفى بالله وليا وكفى بالله نصيرا.
Allah knows your enemies better, and Allah suffices as a protector, and Allah suffices as a helper.
من الذين هادوا يحرفون الكلم عن مواضعه ويقولون سمعنا وعصينا واسمع غير مسمع وراعنا ليا بألسنتهم وطعنا في الدين ولو أنهم قالوا سمعنا وأطعنا واسمع وأقام ولكن لعنهم الله بكفرهم فلا يؤمنون إلا قليلا.
Among those who have become Jews, there are some who alter the words from their context and make a malicious play with their tongues and seek to revile the true faith. They say, "We've heard and we disobey. Sami'na wa asayna." Do hear us, may you turn dumb. Isma ghayra musma'in. And hearken to us, Ra'ina. It would indeed have been better for them and more upright if they had said, "We've heard and we obey. Sami'na wa ata'na." And do listen to us and look at us with kindness. Isma wa unzurna. But Allah has cursed them because of their unbelief. Scarcely do they believe.
يا أيها الذين أوتوا الكتاب آمنوا بما نزلنا مصدقا لما معكم من قبل أن نطمس وجوها فنردها على أدبارها أو نلعنهم كما لعنا أصحاب السبت وكان أمر الله مفعولا.
O you who have been granted the book, do believe in what we have now revealed, which confirms the revelation which you already possess. Do this before we alter countenances, turning them backwards, or lay a curse upon them, as we cursed the Sabbath men. Bear in mind that Allah's command is done.
إن الله لا يغفر أن يشرك به ويغفر ما دون ذلك لمن يشاء ومن يشرك بالله فقد افترى إثما عظيما.
Surely Allah does not forgive that a partner be ascribed to Him, although He forgives any other sins for whomever He wills. He who associates anyone with Allah in His divinity has indeed forged a mighty lie and committed an awesome sin.
ألم تر إلى الذين يزكون أنفسهم بل الله يزكي من يشاء ولا يظلمون فتيلا.
Have you not seen those who boast of their righteousness, even though it is Allah who grants righteousness to whomsoever He wills? They are not wronged even as much as the husk of a date stone, if they are not granted righteousness.
انظر كيف يفترون على الله الكذب وكفى به إثما مبينا.
See how they forge lies about Allah. This in itself is a manifest sin.